Another way to narrow down on the root causes is Pareto analysis. Vilfredo Pareto was an Italian economist who found that 80% of the wealth was with 20% of the people in Italy. And Joseph Juran, he borrowed this principle, the 80-20 principle from Pareto, and he applied to quality, and he said that 80% of your problems are due to the 20% of the causes. So if you have listed down 10 causes, 20% of those 10 causes, that means 2 causes, are responsible for 80% of your problem. Let us take an example how to apply Pareto to our procurement cycle time case study. Let us imagine that we have listed down 5 causes. I'm just taking 5 causes as an example. In fact, the causes can be 6, 7, or 10, or 12 also. So if the 5 causes which I've listed down are, let's say, late deliveries is one of the causes of procurement delays. Then specifications are not clear. There's also another cause. Maybe the delayed approvals are found to be one of the causes, and then the delayed vendor selection and the customs delay. If I collect the data on delayed procurements, and let's say I collect the data on 50 delayed procurements, I find that 25 of them are due to the delayed deliveries, 15 of them are due to the specifications lack of clarity, and 3 of them are due to the delayed approvals, and 6 of them are due to the delayed vendor selection. And customs delay is responsible for 1 delay in procurement. So in this case, I will list down all of these frequencies against the causes, and after that I will rearrange the causes in the descending order of the frequency. So here it would be late deliveries 25, specifications not clear 15, delayed vendor selection 6, delayed approval 3, and customs delay 1. After that, I will calculate the percentage contribution of each of the causes. So in this case, delayed deliveries are contributing to 50% of the total causes, and specifications not clear is contributing to 30%. Then we have delayed vendor selection contributing 12%, and delayed approval as 6%, and customs delay as 2%. In the next column, I will write down the cumulative frequencies. So cumulative frequencies would be late delivery, the first one contributes to 50%. First 2, that is late deliveries and specifications not clear, contribute to 80%. And then the first 3 contributes to 92%, and so on and so forth. And after that, once I have made this table, I will create a graph which will arrange all the causes in the descending order, a bar chart, which will indicate the causes in the descending order, and also it will tell the cumulative frequency as well. So from the graph, I can easily see that 80% of the delays are due to delayed deliveries and specifications not clear. So these are the 2 root causes which are contributing to the 80% of my total procurement delays. This was just an example. Obviously, you will have many causes, and you can put this into Minitab, and you can easily get your Pareto chart in Minitab. For that, first you have to put the data in Minitab in the 2 columns of causes and frequency. Once you have got this data into these 2 columns, then you go to Stat, then Quality Tools, and then Pareto Chart, and you can put the causes against the causes and of course the frequency in the frequency columns, and click on OK, and you will get your Pareto Chart in Minitab. It is not necessary to create a frequency table the way I showed it here in Minitab. You can even make a Pareto chart in Minitab with the help of the raw data. So if you have a column which has listed down all the causes or the reasons of delay in procurement, and this is put in one column, obviously this column is attribute data because reasons are attribute data. Minitab can even count those frequencies for you and create the Pareto chart directly from raw data. So for that, let us assume that we have got our raw data, all the reasons listed in one column. And if in this case, for that, I want to get a Pareto chart, then I can again go to Stat, Quality Tools, Pareto chart. And this time I would just input the column, the reasons for delay, which has got all the reasons for delay listed out. And Minitab will calculate the frequencies and create the chart by itself. So in this case, I don't have to create the frequency table. So either way, whichever way you want, you can create your Pareto chart in Minitab.